Dear students, this is a video that explains grammar focus or placement of adjectives when talking about jobs. In this video, we're going to learn how to use be plus adjective or adjective plus noun when talking about jobs. In the first column, we have two sentences. A doctor's job is stressful. A firefighter's job is dangerous. Both sentences are examples of using the verb to be plus adjective to talk about jobs. So let's check what you understand. What is the adjective in these sentences? Stressful and dangerous. What is the noun in these sentences? Doctor's job, a firefighter's job. In both examples, you have a noun, the verb to be, and then at the end, you have the adjective. In the second column, we have two different examples. A doctor has a stressful job. A firefighter has a dangerous job. As you can see, these two examples have the same meaning as the previous two examples. So a doctor's job is stressful, or a doctor has a stressful job means pretty much the same. It's just that in the second example, you have a different pattern. You have the subject, has, then you have the indefinite article a or an, adjective plus noun, adjective plus noun. So these are two different ways of saying pretty much the same. Be careful though, because adjectives have the same form regardless of the noun, if the noun is in singular or plural. Not like in Spanish. In Spanish you say una casa blanca, casas blancas. But in English, the adjective stays the same even though you have here jobs. What you have to do next is go to the Grammar Plus section, where you have to answer the following examples. You have to use the examples and you have to create both sentences. One that is using adjective plus noun and one that is using verb to be plus adjective. That was it for this video. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can ask me during the Zoom session.